you how to make banana bread. Flour, sugar, baking soda, baking powder. This is salt, vanilla, butter, yogurt, brown sugar, eggs. First, I need my mixing bowl, and then I'll put it in. Sugar, vanilla, brown sugar, butter. I'm gonna mix up the eggs first. Yogurt. Now I am gonna mix all of the stuff up. I had a really hard time ripping up the bananas, and my dad helped me. So now I'm gonna put the bananas in, and then I'll smash them. Smash, smash, smash banana. Smash, smash, smash banana. Smash, smash, smash banana. Smash. Now I smashed the bananas already, so I am gonna put this in the sink and then I'll come back. So be patient, please. The baking soda, baking powder, salt. Now I'm gonna do flour. Now I'm gonna get a spoon. There's already a spoon. I'm silly. Now I'm gonna mix this up. And you always have to wash your hands, of course, because there's egg. Be careful around the oven, and your mom and dad have to help you. After you put it inside a baking pan, you're gonna put it in the oven for 80 minutes. If you don't put it for 80 minutes and just 10 minutes, it won't taste good. Take it out from the oven, let it cool off, remove it from the pan, and enjoy it. Thanks for watching Learning with Laiora. Now I am gonna take a bite of the banana bread. And subscribe below.